Today, with thanks to the online retailer Banggood.com, we are taking a look at the brand new Blitzwolf BW-HS1 adjustable laptop cooling fan. Now, we have done a vast amount of unboxings on loads of Blitzwolf tech in the past, and what draws me towards that brand is that they not only produce very unique technology, like earphones and gaming headsets etc, but each one of their products also come in their very distinctive white and green Blitzwolf branded packaging. So focusing on the BW-HS1, again with that unique green and white packaging, within that box everything comes fairly well packaged and protected. To the top, we are provided with a dual end USB power cable to power the fan, and what looks like a mobile phone stand. There's a detailed illustrated user manual, and a guide on how to operate and set up the fan. And yes, we have the Blitzwolf laptop fan itself, which when taking it out of the wrapper, right away I do like how durable it feels in hand. That is, compared to other cheap Amazon fans that I've previously owned. So this top panel is a cool feeling matte black mesh metal laptop surface. The rest of this unit, for example, the base, is made out of hard, durable ABS plastic, while that height adjustable stand is made out of metal too. To the rear we have two basic USB ports, one to insert the supplied USB cable and the other to enable fast charging of your mobile phone. So again, for example, my mobile phone has a bit of a charge left on it, but it does indeed state that it will be fully charged within 1 hour 36 minutes. Let's go ahead and turn the fan on using that control module to the bottom. Alrighty then, central where we see that Blitzwolf logo, there is that big 5-inch fan with 4 2-inch surrounding fans. Each one of them do have RGB lighting built in, which I'm afraid can't be turned off while the fans are running, which by the way, I've actually noticed that they already do supply quite a bit of wind resistance to the palm of my hand, with it being placed 5 to 6 inches away. This fan actually does have 2 speed settings, so while that big fan central runs at 1100 RPM on that first setting, with the smaller fans running at 2500 RPM, you can indeed boost it up by 10% by switching it to that second power level. Now if you look back to that control unit on the bottom of the fan, you do have another LED control unit. This one is for that separate, aesthetically pleasing RGB light to the front of that fan unit, which actually makes the whole module look quite attractive and I guess a real cool look for any gamer. Now when placed on a flat surface, this fan should have adequate grip thanks to the foam padded feet to the bottom. To the top, we have 2 rubber 3mm laptop bumpers, as well as 2 bumper mounts to the bottom, where if we just place our EVGA laptop, it does sit fairly comfortable, with a maximum fit for any 17.3 notebook or laptop. But depending on your posture, well, you can adjust this laptop stand, just like so, with 4 levels of height adjustment to be had, providing you with not only a laptop fan, but a laptop stand to give you the best choice of vision. So first of all guys, I would advise plugging this laptop fan into a wall socket or charger unit rather than plugging it within your laptop. Remember, we want to keep the temperature down, not overload your computer with too much plugged in accessories. So as you can see, we've allowed our EVGA laptop to reach just above average temperature. Now we've opened a few YouTube tabs, allowed a few videos to play, and we've opened up our massively packed video editor. So as you can see on screen, our temperature is running at 71. Our temperature levels are indeed fluctuating only a bit, but we're going to turn the fan on just now to its maximum level, leave it between 3 to 5 minutes, and see what the outcome is. Yeah. Okay, so just after a few minutes after turning the fan on, as you can see on our performance module on the EVGA laptop, this laptop has actually cooled just a bit. Okay, it's not much, but there is a significant difference. Not only that, the full chassis of the laptop feels relatively very cool, which if you're like me, personally, I do like to edit my videos and be a couch potato sat on the sofa. So when the laptop is on my knee, it does sometimes burn my lap, especially when I've been producing some heavily compacted YouTube tech unboxings. But this laptop fan will not only cool the chassis of your laptop, but it will also keep the top of your legs nice and breezy. Definitely good for long use, and I would think really good for those gamers. Now, personally, I did actually need a laptop stand, and the fact that it comes with 5 fans, RGB lighting, and oh, not to forget, we do get that all-inclusive mobile phone stand too, which can clip onto 4 different areas of this laptop stand, just like so. And although it is a pretty good phone mount, which can hold massive phones or even the smallest phones, this stand is most preferably used on flat surfaces rather than trying to balance it on, well, your lap. Overall, I do like this stand. It somewhat does the job. It does slightly cool my laptop, and I do think it is aesthetically pleasing to the eye. Okay, it is a shame that the lights don't have an on-off option, but, well, for the price, £25, that's around what, 35 in US dollars? It's not a bad price, and it does do the job and look quite good doing it. And this is why we're going to give a 9 out of 10 today for this Blitzwolf BW-HS1 adjustable laptop cooling fan. Now, I will indeed leave a link for this cooling fan in the video description down below. Certainly go and check it out, but if you've liked what you've seen today, well, why not go get yours? While you're in that video description, guys, please make sure to hit a like on this video, as well as, yes, subscribe to this channel, and remembering to hit that bell notification option so you guys stay updated on all our new uploads. Now, it's been fantastic unboxing this Blitzwolf fan today, and we are going to indeed do a few more Blitzwolf unboxings in the next few days, so stay tuned for them. But as usual, guys, I hope you all stay safe, and thank you ever so much for watching. Peace!